Hello everybody, welcome to HD Interiors, your premier destination for sophisticated home decor inspiration. Today, we are excited to present the 200 Best TV Wall Design Ideas for Living Room 2024. In this video, we will explore the latest trends and innovations in TV wall unit and cabinet designs, showcasing how these elements can redefine the aesthetic and functionality of your living space. Join us as we delve into a world of modern minimalism, cutting-edge technology, artistic expression, and nature-inspired themes, all curated to elevate your home decor to new heights. Let's begin our journey into the future of TV wall design. In 2024, the role of the TV wall has evolved beyond functionality to become a canvas for artistic expression and innovative design. In modern interior design, the principle of less is more perfectly manifests in minimalist TV wall designs. Embracing clean lines, neutral color palettes, and a clutter-free aesthetic, these designs redefine simplicity with sophistication. Imagine a sleek, wall-mounted television integrated into a monographic backdrop, adorned with discrete storage solutions. Modern minimalist TV wall designs celebrate the harmony of form and function in the most elegant ways. Step into the future of home entertainment with tech-integrated TV wall designs that seamlessly blend cutting-edge technology with contemporary aesthetics. Smart homes deserve smart TV walls, and in 2024, we witness the merging of innovation and design. Picture ambient lighting synchronized with your viewing experience, hidden cables, and automation that transforms your TV wall into a connectivity hub. From sleek touch panels to integrated sound systems, these designs cater to your entertainment needs while elevating your living space into a futuristic realm. Top trends to design a stylish TV wall emphasize functionality and flair. Explore a world of diverse possibilities, from bold color choices to unique textures and patterns that turn your TV wall into a stylish statement. Consider floating shelves showcasing curated art pieces, or experiment with asymmetrical arrangements that break conventional norms. Stylish TV wall designs invite you to infuse your personality into the space, creating a visual narrative that resonates with your taste and preferences. Whether it's a chic blend of materials or a captivating play of proportions, these designs redefine the essence of style in home decor. Elevate your living space with TV wall designs that transcend the ordinary and become works of art. These artistic and statement walls celebrate creativity, allowing homeowners to express themselves through visually captivating arrangements. Envision a TV wall adorned with bold colors, eye-catching artwork, or even 3D textures that demand attention. These designs go beyond functionality, transforming your TV wall into a canvas for self-expression and a focal point that sparks conversation. Embrace the unconventional and let your TV wall become a living gallery that tells a unique story in 2024. Key trends in TV wall designs include modern minimalism, cutting-edge technology integration, nature-inspired themes, artistic statement walls, and a resurgence of retro and vintage vibes. These trends blend functionality, aesthetics, and personal expression. Nature-inspired TV wall designs bring the outdoors in, incorporating elements like earthy tones, textured stone, reclaimed wood, and indoor plants. This trend creates a tranquil ambience, connecting your living space with nature's beauty. TV wall designs with built-in shelves offer both practicality and aesthetic appeal, providing storage solutions for books, decor items, and personal belongings while creating a visually dynamic backdrop. Built-in shelves allow for curated displays, enhancing the room's character. Infuse warmth and timeless elegance into your living space with wood-finished TV wall designs. Whether it's a rustic farmhouse vibe or a sleek modern aesthetic, wood's versatility offers a range of design possibilities. Imagine a TV wall adorned with wooden panels, reclaimed timber, or a minimalist wooden frame that frames your entertainment center. Wood-finished TV wall designs bring a touch of nature indoors, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere that complements various interior styles. Maximize functionality and style with TV wall designs that integrate built-in shelves, offering both storage solutions and aesthetic appeal. Envision a wall unit that houses your television and provides space for books, decor items, and personal mementos. Built-in shelves add practicality to your TV wall and serve as opportunities for curated displays, showcasing your favorite items and enhancing the room's character. These designs strike a perfect balance between form and function, turning your TV wall into a multifaceted focal point. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the 200 Best TV Wall Design Ideas for Living Room 2024. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights into transforming your TV wall into a striking focal point that blends functionality, aesthetics, and personal expression. Whether you lean towards modern minimalism, cutting-edge technology, artistic statements, or nature-inspired themes, there's a design to suit every taste and style. At HD Interiors, we believe that thoughtful design can elevate your living space, making it both beautiful and practical. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration and stay updated on the latest trends. Until next time, happy decorating!